Good morning from the heart of New York City. This is Food School Smarter, Stronger, Leaner podcast. I'm your host, Angela Shurina from Create Yourself That Today, your personal nutritionist, your personal health and wellness coach, your fellow biohacker, and just someone with a lot of passion for healthy food, nutrition, weight loss, fat loss, delicious and healthy recipes, new, cool, nutritious and delicious foods, everything and anything related to healthy eating and how it can improve every single aspect of your mental and physical performance and every single aspect of you as a human being, including your body, your strengths, your muscles, your fat loss, your emotions, your, again, mental performance, and just the sense of well-being every single day. Today, guys, is Sunday, and while I'm fasting this Sunday to give my digestive system rest, to give my body a chance to do the repair work, to remove and digest and process on all the waste products of cellular metabolism, fasting is one of the most ancient practices in nutrition, documented. It's been used for since Bible, and probably even earlier. Humans and animals fast naturally when we feel we need to give our body rest and we need to recover from something, but just fasting is a really cool practice to live longer, again, to renew all your systems, all your cells, and that also promotes clear thinking. But anyway, enough about fasting. Today we are going to be talking about banana tea, and I'm going to give you a recipe of banana tea and why should you care about banana tea and what is banana tea. So these days, a lot of you, all of us have a lot of things going on, a lot of worries and anxieties and just thoughts on our mind all the time, and a lot of times we wouldn't be able to necessarily get calm and peaceful by the time we need to go to bed, and by the time we need to have a good night rest to recover and restore for the next day ahead. Our minds just keep chasing, and very often we end up staying up late because we just can't fall asleep because all these thoughts and things that happen during the day. So banana tea, besides being nutritionally amazing for you, having pectin, that is sort of fiber that helps move stuff through your digestive system and also feeds your gut bacteria. Besides having vitamin A, B6, B12, vitamin C, potassium, magnesium, manganese. Besides all of that, banana tea helps to ease stress and depression. It promotes bone health. It helps with digestion. It gives your immune system the boost that it needs. But I guess the most important value, as I see it, and I recommended it to a lot of people already, and people tell me, or I was able to fall asleep so easily and sleep through the night, first time for so many days and weeks. So this tea is great for sleeplessness. It's soothing and relaxing you, and it also acts as a natural tranquilizer and analgesic, reducing your pains and again anxieties, and just helping you to relax and release all the pressure, all the anxieties, all the nervousness, and all the thinking that you accumulated throughout the day. So banana tea can do all that. And for low carb folks, good news, you don't have to eat the banana, and banana tea doesn't add any carbs to your diet. So again, you want to have this banana tea right before bed to lower your blood pressure, to soothe you and relax you so you could fall asleep easier. It relieves depression. It improves bone density because of all the minerals in it, like potassium and manganese and magnesium. It aids in digestion because of fiber, because of pectin. It boosts your immune system, vitamin C, B vitamins, vitamin A. It helps you to lose weight. And yeah, it just helps you to sleep like a baby. When did you last do that? Sometimes I have trouble sleeping too many things on my mind. So the recipe is really simple. You need 1 organic banana because we're gonna be putting the whole banana with the peel to boil it. So you need organic banana without any sugar sprayed on it. So 1 organic banana, 6 cups of water, filtered, and cinnamon that will add some flavor and also helps with inflammation, also helps to relax you more, and adds additional benefits to immune boosting properties of the tea. So get your banana, get your 6 cups of water, cinnamon if you want. Step 1, bring the water to boil in a stainless steel pot or any kind of pot, stainless stuff. Put your banana in there, put there 6 cups of water. Before you put banana in, you want to cut off the ends so banana is kind of open but still has the peel and everything on it. So put that whole banana in boiling water. Allow banana to sit there for 10 minutes in boiling water. Keep it boiling 10 minutes. Remove from the heat and strain the tea, add cinnamon, and enjoy and sleep like a baby with also boosted immune system, improved digestion, burning and losing more fat, and just feeling better, feeling well. So banana tea recipe, again, why is it good for? Because it boosts your immune system, because it aids digestion and improves bone density, helps with weight loss. But most importantly, it helps you to relieve depression and all the anxieties, all the worries. It calms you down, helps you to relax, and makes you sleep like a baby. So get your banana, cut off the ends, boil the water, 6 cups of water, or 4 to 6 cups of water. Actually, that's what I do. Put your banana for 10 minutes in boiling water, and then strain it and drink just the liquid. Throw away the banana with the peel and everything. So sleep like a baby this Sunday to prepare for the next week ahead to crush it. Sleep. Your day starts the night before when you go and rest, when you go sleep. The better you rest, the better you sleep, the better your day is gonna be. So have your banana tea for me tonight and let me know how it went. Shoot your feedback to Angela@createyourself.today. I'd love to hear your thoughts on banana tea. So Angela@createyourself.today. Any questions about nutrition, food, how can you improve your nutrition to get healthier, to get more energy, to lose fat. Yesterday I hit below 10% body fat, so this was like one of my goals that I was experimented with through ketogenic diet and low carb nutrition and intermittent fasting. If you have any questions about 10% body fat, shoot me email too at Angela@createyourself.today. Until next time, guys, have an amazing, healthy Sunday. Join my fast if you want. Have your banana tea. I love you all. Thank you for listening. And till next time, eat better daily.